This is Justin Case of American Newscape, welcoming back Sarah Wisdom with Yuma County Library Happenings. And a special bonus treat. Hello, Sarah. Please hit us
Hello.
with your best shot.
Oh, all right. Well, I have a few things to share this week. First of all, we have kicked off a fall reading program, which is brand new to us. We had summer, of course, for years and years, and we've been doing a winter program the last few years, but we tried the Read Squared app for the first time this summer, and there was so much popular demand that we ended up rolling out a fall reading program as well. So for this one, you'll use the same link that you used for summer reading, and it's on the Read Squared app, which is free to download to your mobile device. We also have a page on our website to help you get there. The goal for fall is to read 1,400 minutes, and that might sound intimidating, but when you break it down, it's actually 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week, and you have until November 30th to reach that goal. So it's really reasonable. And once you reach benchmarks, you get to unlock mini games and earn badges. And so it's interactive and fun. And we know that a lot of students that are back in class are already doing reading. So why not double dip and log in for the fall reading program too and be eligible for some prizes?
Very cool.
Another item that we have that just kicked off this week, of course, this month we've all been celebrating 100 years of women's suffrage, and the library was fortunate enough to receive 2 grants from the state library. The first grant allowed us to add books to the library's collection about the women's suffrage. The second grant actually provided books for us to give away, and here is just one of the many books that we're providing. Every library that is participating in curbside service has books to give away. Within the books, there is an activity packet. So if you have a young child at home, or maybe you're just really crafty and you like to do activities, there's a few suffrage themed activities for you. So again, that's at every library that's participating in curbside service. You just pull up to the window at Main or pull into a designated parking spot at a branch and ask for your women's suffrage book.
Now that's exciting. Hey, this is a great time. Let's share something. The library put together a video, and when I first saw it, I was excited. Everybody should be proud of them. They produced it, they wrote it, they acted in it, they filmed it, and I want to share this with everybody. So hold on to your seats. You're going to enjoy this.
Hey girl!
Hey, did you hear about the new book?
Yes, and I wish there was a way to read it without paying for it.
You know what? You can reserve it from the library and use a curbside pickup.
Really? Can I pick up a DVD for my niece too?
Yeah, just log into your account, go to the website, download the app. You know what? You can also call and reserve items.
Perfect! Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye! Hi, I didn't realize you were doing curbside pickup, or is it a pickup window? Oh, so it depends on the branch. Oh, okay, great. Can I place the book on hold and add a DVD too?
Okay, your hold has been placed.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have a hold. I repeat, we have a hold.
Got it. Item secured.
Hi, this is the Yuma Main Library calling to let you know that your hold is available. If you'd like to schedule your pickup for today? Sure. We'll see you later. Yuma Main Library, how may I help you? Oh, you're at the window to pick up your hold? I will let them know that you're there. Thank you. Patron is at the window. It's go time.
Hi, good morning. How can I help you? Okay, can I see the back of your car, please? Alright, thank you. Give me a second, please, and I'll check them out, please. Alright, here they come. Have a nice day.
Somerton Branch Library, this is Francis. How may I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I'm here for a pickup.
Have your library card ready or UID, and I will be right with you.
Thank you.
For locations and hours, or to place a hold on an item, you can visit our website, download our app, or give us a call. And remember, curbside is possible.
Wow. I love that video way too much. I mean, we've got Booker Bear, we've got Fabio on the cart, we've got Sarah Wisdom bringing in the end of it. Everybody there should be really proud. I hope the audience enjoys it as much as I do. But that's our library. That's our library in action. Okay, back to you, Sarah.
Oh, well, that's a tough act to follow. Our staff did such a great job, and I feel honored that I played a small role in that video. It was a lot of fun. So the last thing I want to let you know about today, we talked about a while ago, our STEM science kits, and we wanted to let you know that we still have the Germ Glow kits available. So what you'll get is a little bottle of Germ Glow, and then with that comes a little black light. So it's a great experiment for your kids, especially as they're going back to school, as activities are resuming. It's a great reminder to, did you really wash your hands? Did you really wash your hands? So we still have these available at the main library. So again, if you're coming by to take advantage of our super awesome Curbside is Possible service, you can also ask for a Germ Glow kit.
Wow, thank you, Sarah. Hey, this has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom with Yuma County Library Happenings. Additional info, including library curbside pickup locations, are in the video's Read More. Plus, we're going to provide a direct link to this video that the library did. Thanks for joining us. Please remember to support your local library, librarians, and consider subscribing to this channel.